CapCut just dropped hot 20 plus new AI features on their mobile app.
And we spent the past days testing every single one. In this video, we're going to share the 10 absolute best AI features on CapCut that will literally cut 50% of your workflow as a video editor or a content creator.
We're talking professional results that usually take hours, now it's done in minutes.
But here is the thing, if you stick around to the very end, we're going to share a hidden gem bonus feature that 99% of content creators don't know it actually exists on CapCut.
And it's honestly the most game-changing one of them all.
So let's jump right into the video, starting with the number 10 way up to the absolute best.
Are you excited already?
We are too. Let's jump right into the video.
Starting with number 10 is AI voiceover.
Okay.
Before now, we usually use third-party AI voiceover tools to generate voiceovers.
All right.
But CapCut has added AI voiceover tools to ease the process.
Okay.
To get started, add your video or photo project. Then you go ahead and tap on text. You should have generated the script for your voiceover before now. Then you tap on text audio feature, and at this time you need to insert your text. Then select the voiceover. We have numerous voices here. Tap on next. The beautiful thing about CapCut AI voiceover is that it doesn't only generate the voiceover, but it also goes ahead to add the captions.
Awesome.
Hey there, everyone. Today we're talking about how to keep love fresh. Firstly, plan some surprise events for your partner to heat up your relationship on memorable days.
Coming at number 9 is AI effects or AI filter. Now you should already know that CapCut is big on effects. Like CapCut is the one video editor that it already has buttons that you can just click, and then one super awesome effect is added. But now bringing in AI to the effect, of course you can expect something really awesome, right? Yeah. Now all you need to do in this AI effect is you've already added your project, so you're going to select 10 seconds of the video, okay, because that's the only part that the effect can work. Then you're going to tap on effect, then tap on AI effect. Now you can see that you can add a color pop hair, a magic hairstyle. You can also see this new age art where you can actually switch from one cool effect, all right, to the other. All right, so all I'm going to do is to tap on generate, and I'll wait for the magic to happen.
Welcome finally to class. This is where we are going to be learning ebook creation.
At number 8 is lip sync. Lip syncing is one feature that every faceless content creator don't joke with. And instead of using a third party to create a lip sync, CapCut has added that feature to ease the process.
Yeah.
How do you get started? Select your AI video or the image that you want to use to create the lip sync, and then head over to the lip sync feature. Tap on it.
Yeah.
You can either choose to record your voiceover or add an already generated audio.
Okay.
Then select the voice and choose the model that you want, and then tap on generate.
Hello, hope you are well.
At number 7 is AI background. Although this is an effect for photos, all right, it kind of changes the background of a photo from the background that it originally has to an AI generated background. So what do you do? So if you select a photo, for instance, if I add this photo, okay, and then I tap on the photo, go to your remove BG, then you're going to select the AI background, okay, then you're just going to prompt whatever background that you want. So let's say Amazon forest in a sunny afternoon. So I can also go ahead to move from the current aspect ratio it has to either landscape or to portrait or anyone. So I'm just going to leave it at the original, all right, and then I'm going to tap on generate.
The next feature is the AI Expand. Now, AI Expand is one tool that can help you repurpose your video from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. Now, let's see how it works. To do this, I'm going to select a landscape video. So I'm going to just locate the AI Expand tool and select the aspect ratio, that is the 9:16, and I'll then tap on generate.
Welcome finally to class. This is where we are going to be learning ebook creation.
At number 5 is AI dialogue. So you remember what we usually do on Runway ML or Runway ML's lip sync, where you would add a photo or a video with multiple people, and then you can now select each of the characters and have them have a conversation. So that is how this tool also works, or this feature also works. So let's take for instance that I added a photo and simply swipe until I find the AI dialogue scene. Okay, so now it's going to dictate the characters, and then you can just give the characters, an individual thing that you want them to say. Select the voice, or you can as well record your own voice by tapping on add audio. Then you just simply generate. So it just works like lip syncing, but this time is more of a dialogue between, it can actually work in one, a picture that has only one person, so you need to have like 2 or 3 characters in it.
Hey, I'm Elon.
No, you are not.
At number 4 is AI image. AI image is very popular because there are so many AI tools that can allow you to be able to generate image. But instead of leaving your video project, going to another third party to do that, you can do it on CapCut's. To do that, tap on the media tool and then tap on AI image. Now you can either choose to do the image to image or the text to image.
Okay. Coming at number 3 is one of my favorites, right? Remember we said that we are moving from the number 10 to the absolute best. No, so now we are at 3 best. Okay, so at number 3 is the feature that will help to actually make your video go more viral. So instead of you to just shoot your video like we are shooting in English, you can now shoot the video in English and have it translated to several other languages. Isn't that awesome?
Amazing.
All right, so how do you do this? All you need to do simply is to add the video. So this is a video shot obviously in English. All right, now I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to swipe all the way to video translator here. All right, now you can see that I can simply translate this video from English, right, to Chinese, to Bulgaria, to Arabic, to Filipino, to Hindi, to Greek, to just any language at all. All right, so I'm going to select Korean. All right, so I'm going to select Korean and then tap on apply, and let's wait for the magic to happen.
드디어 수업에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 여러분은 여기서 전자책 제작 또는 디자인을 배울 것입니다.
At number 2 is the AI video. Instead of going to third-party applications to generate stock videos, on CapCut you can now do that. What you need to do, head straight down to the media, tap on media, and then tap on AI video. Now you can decide to do the image to video or the text to video. Add your prompts. Okay, then you can also choose the duration of the video if you want it to be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and as well the aspect ratio, and then tap on generate.
Now you can actually bet that these AI features we've been mentioning is going to cut your workflow as a video editor or content creator by a whopping 50%. And if you've watched this video up to this point, then it means that you're getting value. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this, and then hit the like button so the algorithm can share this video with more people. And if there are other AI features you think that we are still yet to mention or haven't mentioned at all, let us know on the comments down below. Coming at number 1, which is the AI feature of CapCut that we are saying is the absolute best, is AI avatar. Now you can agree with me the stress we used to go through to actually get AI avatars to create maybe a business video ad or just a video for your faceless content. But right now on CapCut, you can actually create AI avatars with ease. When you open your CapCut, all you need to do is to swipe until you see the AI avatar.
How are you today?
Now there are a few ways you can actually use the AI avatar. You can either select from the existing AI avatars, or you can generate your own image, or or even select your own picture like I did here. Tap on next, and now you can add a script, okay, or add your voice, or just add an already generated AI voiceover. Okay, select the model that you want to use. Now there's also another feature that I would need to mention here. Now if you do not have all the time to probably come up with your own script, the AI can actually improve on what you've already written, expand on what you've written, shorten it, or you can extract it from a video, or you can translate it to any language that you want. Isn't this super amazing? So that is why we said you're going to save the best for the last, right? And when you're done with all of this, all you need to do, tap on apply and then tap on generate and watch the magic happen.
Let's take action and embrace inner peace. Achieving inner peace is a personal and unique journey. Here are some general approaches that might be helpful. 1. Meditate regularly.
There you go. 10 absolute best AI feature on CapCut's that can ease your workflow as a video editor or a content creator. Now, because you stayed till the end, here is an honorable mention. AI Ultra HD. AI Ultra HD make your video clearer and smoother with the AI enhancement and frame interpolation. Once you're done with your video, turn on the Ultra HD to boost the quality of your video.
And now for the hidden gem that most content creators don't even know it exists on CapCut. Now you agree with me that when you make a video in English, right, and also added the captions in English, now when people who speak other languages, popular languages like maybe French, Espanol comes across your video, they may just tune off. But do you know that you can add a bilingual caption in addition to the existing caption that you already have on your video? All right, so on this existing caption, I'm going to tap on it, and then you're going to see bilingual captions. Now I'm going to select the Translator, which of course I'm going to select Chinese, and then I'm going to tap on translate. I'll wait for the oh yeah, that was fast.
Welcome finally to class.
Which of these 10 plus 2 features that we've mentioned and explored in this video blew your mind the most? Let us know on the comment down below. And with this, we'll catch you on the next one.